the sweetest of sweetie parties. Many, many sweet sweets made just for you. Fluffy, wuffy cake heart melting, melly, melly, you know. Hey, while singing songs from the heart, I'll reach you anywhere you go. All the pretty flowers singing out with joy, melly, melly. All the little birds too singing out with joy, melly, melly. Gather round, everyone. Let's all have a heart dumping baking party. Small heart-shaped cherries and some sweet strawberries on top. Then some cookies and macarons and... What else? Let's bake the sweetest, sweetest cake now. Melly, melly, you know. It came out so nice and yummy. Go and have a try. 'Cause when I see you smile, it feels so good. I feel warm and fuzzy down in my heart. We'll have the sweetest, sweetie party. Melly, melly, you know. Forever, never without best of friends. Fluffy, wuffy, lovely cake. Melly, melly, you know. Hey, while singing songs from the heart, I'll reach you anywhere you go. Love you. The sun up in the sky now, laughing out with joy. Melly, melly. You and me together. Let's go out strawberry picking today. Look over there, a butterfly. How cute! Now we're having even more fun. Wow! I found a heart-shaped strawberry. Half for you and half for me. We found the sweetest sweet strawberry. Melly, melly, you know. Shaped just like a heart and very, very cute. My basket fills up along with